I just always say on press conference here by na we no radio so no pay. Kroma is Kroma no. And man bebre ho a yesi ye edi asem no nsem bebre ho a ye kana nadwo. Anopa ne ye ba amane ngira na Prempeh ka jom say ye wani a ye di tu anadwo fa kroma he de ye konkrofo nkomo mu di. Ye de aso tetemu sa na ye pebi atie de ye betie o se ye ka wasem awi asete no ne aka. Ana kwasi Prempeh memo ache mo akwa aba.
Mejo so enia mechia ye tie fronso.
Nana kwasi Prempeh. Nana sa report no a Memensa can be Oshe Krata contractor de Toswa. That should be 30th of last month. And Oshe report no so a report no cover be drew February. I just say a reporter a relevant part in the discussion no pain. What's that can be?
Well, I'm sorry, my name was Naminchia Yetiefo. So see, I try to crowd no, you cut up for a crowd. It means to say, oh, cut a crowd and maybe a new crowd. Because there were several reports that were coming.
Okay. We reporter Avant-Garde Design Services Chief Director to the Chief Director, Ministry of Local Government, Chieftaincy and Religious Affairs. We a fire report on the current status of firefighting system at Kejetia, Kumasi City Market. And what's them making?
There were several other reports that are related to Kejetia currently. MET and say SSA and trade for China. Now, we have the best way forward. To Abama, which Yamata and Comonoso.
But was but maybe share report no me must me pa say adwadifo mo amoyem panifo amoda adwadifo na no e wo ho no saa ne man ya ye wa bonten ye hu saa report bi bisa say intimote ho
na make us any other reports are and one of the reports crowd the military director, military commander, Ghana National Fire Service, and Kejetia Fire Station head. No, regional TIC crown so can home. You know, when I call around, Abrana almost came a boss. I saw Omunia Fire City audit and Kumasi City Market. In America, there are several other reports. Na report no nsaka on pro ho enka ho asem e say when you in chiremu mama technical briefing ama what ya say ansa na odi hu betuja odi atuja it is said ya wo kano so be on ma obefa ne say e grammar keke but omo technical insight into omo write up na e be mo how severe
me hey de mahu exposed cables. We say here technical cables or matro has a cables exposed. There's a one that way a dampine. There's a it says about who de ja. Sane akoya cables ibini and exposed. Inti eno na ma mibusa mote ho. Yes adwadifo no so akata signage a directed to fire extinguishers near the makata so. Ebu okra na signage ni director be kona fire extinguisher bi ani ho. Where they say your technical, I'm not Prempeh. If you're former to us, some of your concern.
You must say, on some accounts, your fire personnel from Metro and Kejetia station in our rounds. Now, a memory will be bossing in a new idea, not you. Coincidentally, last week, you knew two. And so, as our rounds are, and then we are saying a weekend. When we are as our said. We say be a fireman be no better say well away that I you be so from me and I see friends from me but me reports now is cramming one of the reports somewhere when you phone every man you know and na e boom he pa and we say for one of the reports and now we can want to say Ghana National Fire Service fire I don't know whether you are privy to that document. And a contractor now we see down so I am a and a consultant or also supervising the project and so I am a and I know a family of consultants the family report back or they chose so they know you teach into Adama Lepoto na wabon tofa I can cast some woman. According to the conclusion in the reports, based on the technical assessment carried out, considering the current condition of the firefighting systems and equipment, the inadequate storage practices observed, and the absence of effective operational controls. So I don't highlight to Homami, the absence of effective operational controls. It is concluded that the facility is in critical and unacceptable safety condition. No highlight on also. So it is concluded that the facility is in a critical and unacceptable safety condition, constituting an imminent and high risk to human life and property, with a tangible potential for catastrophic events in the event of fire.
Okay, indeed, the adwuma no mo ye ni nyina sa report no ana na me kan wasema no pabusua for omo wie ye no omo awie aka asiso se omo ye technical assessment no yes animdi fo ba be hwe ye no de omo kan nyina ne se firefighting system ase eja eto ho na o se boa eme ye betimi ede aye ho adwuma no in fact 87.9 Kumasi and say I was say ye nanka yetimi di manage no agensem ye ni control bia wo ho bio and what you know conditioner tebia facility no mbesa me ye no me pesa me ye nanka me katwi ni yi and I say be abrofo bia mafra mu ntina mpesa me ye ne sa no ne mo ye de abrofo no beba mu a ya mo mfa nche me omo say si a ye kasai facility no in terms of eja eho ene ho ne ma no eyare pa na se ye koso atna ho a de di kan enipa nkwa eja pade e wo ho se ade bi sisesi e ya ebeje nsem ama ye wure be hoye ho ana kwasi Prempeh na wi
it is a case be our critical. So say grab another nipa na yare and because of the ICU.
Yare pa.
It's a Kejetia. So don't when in relation to fire alone. No other reporter 87.9 for the entire facility no home. I have a structural integrity test. The fact examining brain so you say Kejetia no both and not basically both and not no MDC and a sea waterlogged area a Ghana cafe so but say don't say any Kumasi and I even one day any other cafe all publishing false information now you are causing fear and panic. It is yeah the other person to press conference now after when we speak we have my documentary proof. But the better they can understand and understand. A bread booster would be a would be a jar and will Kejetia. Second, so they are, and in before I say, I will Kejetia, we did every 1 hour, nipa 20,000 and a patronizing marketing. Every 1 hour, a nipa 20,000 in a journey. Not to say, the Ghana could jump and so be a. We have been tankwa go at a press. So go back.
Nana kwasi Prempeh.
So don't think
I sa kochi ukaza wunim say e wa na kochi koye.
The so go kai sama o mampani da ba na nado e kai obo COVID ne e ba ye no. So I say economy ni de ye nim kwan e be fa so e betumi amana sa ba e ni ni pa nkwa de. Yes ye nim kwan e be fa so e betumi amana da.
A famous statement pa mampani da ye.
Aha. eti amepɛ musumin kɔma mi ni di nyinaa ne sɛ ɛsɛ ɛpanyinfo ɛka bi ewom as a matter of urgency ɛnsɛ sɛ yɛde Kejetia no play political ball game because nipa nkwa is at stake na yɛmpɛ sɛ ɛbɛba bɛduru mpɛmpɛnsuo bi a oye na bi bɛduru Kejetia na afei na mpanyinfoɔ bɛbɔ taa akɛseɛ ahyɛ koot akɛseɛ abɛka sɛ asɛ na omunim deɛ bɛbɛsi sɛdeɛ wei ɛyɛ technical report ɛyɛ hearsay.
Sɛ me ankasa mahu deɛ baako no a wammɔ so no also ayɛ technical said the make because we cause fear and panic. So I report to me say so report ne ba bonten a ade be si krom ha no.
IMF World Bank report no.
Yes, I mean that report. Yes.
IMF World Bank but me go into details. IMF World Bank report no. But me tumi nyan me dey before agini si bi so say. Ya daga so oh my ni my dey and I money pants na ha. Also medical catch us dan we both and not. Apart from both and not no, AC ensuo so. Ensuo no metal beams no. Ewo sita eko underground. Eti ewo toneja wait me betimi akari me pay say e nipa dodo a ebetimi afa at any given time